Welcome to Mathy Python. Today I will go through the problems and puzzles on strings that I've made up. So as usual, there are three tiers, beginning, intermediate, challenge. So the beginning, we look through slicing and title case and counting characters, slicing again, basics of F strings, formatted strings. Tier 2 is intermediate. You look at how to extract substrings, validate strings, string reversals, split a string. That's an important one that will come up in future episodes in this series, but it's also just something you use a lot. Some more F string formatting. And then for the challenge, there's a palindrome checker, a Caesar cipher, which is kind of fun, and word frequencies, which if you ever go into NLP, you might see this kind of thing. Have fun with it.